Okay, if you sell anything online, listen up, because the ground is shifting right under our feet. Seriously, the strategies that built empires just a couple of years ago, they're starting to crack. So today, we're diving into a playbook for 2026, because the future belongs to those who adapt first. Let's get right into it.
All right, so what's the actual problem we're facing? It's not just more competition, It's about customers getting way smarter, ad costs going through the roof and pricing out the little guys, and, let's be honest, the slow death of that old one-time sale model. The old rules are just failing us, and that's the big challenge we have to solve for 2026.
And this leads to a really critical question you have to ask yourself. Is your business model built for this new reality, or is it kind of stuck in the past? Because if you're still leaning on tactics from 2022, I'm willing to bet you're already feeling the tremors.
Now here's what's so interesting. You can see the symptoms everywhere. Your conversions are slipping because customers have a million options. Your revenue is all over the place because you're constantly hunting for that next sale, right? And you're struggling to keep the customers you do get because the model just isn't built for long-term relationships. If any of that sounds familiar, yeah, your playbook is officially outdated.
So look, here's the bottom line. We can't keep throwing old solutions at brand new problems. It just doesn't work. The game has totally changed, which means it is absolutely time for a new set of rules. So, if the old rules are broken, where in the world do we find the new ones? Well, that's exactly what we're talking about today. There's a path forward, and it's laid out in a completely free expert workshop designed to give you that new playbook.
And listen, this is not just some little one-hour webinar. We're talking about a full-on 12-part virtual event. It's happening live from January 12th to the 19th. The whole idea is to go deep on a bunch of different connected topics, and you'll have industry experts leading every single session. And the best part? One registration gets you into the whole thing.
You should really think of it like a virtual training camp. It's hosted by people who are actually in the trenches, running 7- and 8-figure online businesses right now. And the entire focus is on what is working today and what's going to dominate in 2026, specifically around selling, optimizing payments, building recurring revenue, and scaling with partners.
And here's what's so crucial. This isn't about high-level, fluffy theory. The whole goal is to hand you actionable playbooks, like step-by-step guides you can put into action right away to see real growth.
So let's peek inside. You get a subscription blueprint? Because let's face it, predictable recurring revenue is the perfect antidote to those crazy up and down sales months. You get an affiliate playbook so you can scale your reach without just dumping more money into ads, a conversion toolbox, because in this crowded market, a few small tweaks to your checkout can literally double your profits, and a retention formula, because keeping a customer is so much cheaper than finding a new one. Each one of these is a major key to growth. The guy leading the charge on this is Mark Thompson, the founder of PayKickstart. We're talking about someone with over 17 years of experience who's seen $1 billion processed on his platform. He knows what works. His whole goal here is to share the actual systems that are fueling growth for the top online businesses today.
And apparently, people are hungry for this knowledge. Get this, over 1,500 entrepreneurs have already registered. That just goes to show you this is a super critical conversation for anyone who's serious about selling online right now.
Okay, but let's ask the important question. Is this really for you? We need to get specific about who's going to get the most out of this thing. So, this workshop is made specifically for people who are already in the game and are ready to scale up. We're talking SaaS founders, affiliate marketers, course creators, and coaches. It's for the builders. Now, on the flip side, if you're looking for some kind of magic button or you're not serious about actually implementing new strategies, this probably isn't the right fit. And that's okay. So if you're in that first group, the next step is super simple. It's time to go claim your free spot and get access to this entire playbook.
And just to really hammer home the value here, you're getting 12 expert-led sessions, and it's completely 100% free to attend.
The process to get in could not be easier. It's 3 simple steps. 1. Click the link you see right here with this explainer. 2. Pop your details into the registration page. And 3. Boom, you're in. Your seat for all 12 sessions is confirmed.
And just a reminder, this whole thing is happening live from January 12th to the 19th. When you register, you don't just get access to the live sessions, you also unlock all the recordings and the playbooks. So even if your schedule is jam-packed, you will not miss a thing.
So I'll just leave you with this one question to think about. What's the one new strategy, whether it's nailing subscriptions, boosting conversions, or building an affiliate army, that could be the key to completely transforming your business in 2026? This workshop, well, it's your chance to find it.